Before plugging in, make sure the switch on the back is in the off position. For home use, connect the AC power cord to the AC in port, then plug it into a 120 volts wall outlet. For car use, connect the DC power cord to the DC in port and plug it into a 12 volts outlet with the engine running. Slide the power switch to cool or warm to turn on the unit. The green light indicates cooling mode. When in cool mode, the fridge cools up to 32 Fahrenheit below the surrounding temperature, reaching about 40 Fahrenheit at best depending on the environment. It's ideal for keeping pre-chilled drinks, snacks, or skincare products cool. The red light indicates warming mode. When in warm mode, the unit maintains around 131 Fahrenheit to keep items warm. Always turn the switch to off before unplugging or moving the unit, and wait 30 minutes before sliding switch into cool setting. The fridge is well insulated and can keep its temperature for several hours after being unplugged.